Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that interviews and study questions लिख लेते हैं point of view. Question number 17. Air India resent the orders of the 470 and the aircraft is other testimonies and to the India grow soft and the hard powers in the global arenas and the comments and how does this the massive investment and all troubles and the infrastructure impact and India's and standing as other global economic players discuss approach. Candidate can start and the followings and with the basic ideas and about the recent orders and by the aviation company and highlights and how it's the 10 testimonies and of the growing power and how it will the lead and India's and to the become global and the economically players and the introductions. Introduction. Tata Groups and the owner Air the pollutes Air India and AL placed and the two megas orders. और चाहिए तो जा
अब नहीं चाहिए
ले वही तो पीना ही है वाना इतो तो रख
तो लाई थी का पीला वाना है
हाँ पीला थोड़ा पीवा. Tata Group owned the Air India's and artificial intelligence placed to the mega and orders the addings up to the strategies and the 470 and the aircraft for the 250 and planes. 250 planes with the Europlanes and the Airbus and the consortus and 220 and with the beings and cooperation of the United States. Body. Testimony of the power in the global arenas and aspirations and Air India's and it has the put an all India's in the legals and of the aspirings. Global Airlines the depth and the riddles carries and which was taken and overs by the Tata Group in the early and 2022 and the plans and to the turn into other wide class propositions. Experts says the bulk and the orders and indicators Air the India and the intended into reclaim it is the poles and positions in the domestic and the aviation market as well as and the expand and it's the expand it the presence in the international routes and the global allies. Order goes for the Beyonds and Air India's and the India aviation sectors and which was the underscored and by the lead and taken by the globals and leaders and the prime and ministers and the Narendra Modi, French presidents and the Emmanuel Macron and US President and Geodians in the making the announcement and British Prime Minister and Rishi Sunak and also the waned in political signals. India is also the sending other strong and the political signal and that is the want to the remains and it is to the west and it other time and when it has the applied it has the appliances and the indigenous on the Russia section implicating and the Indians and the standing and the globals is global economic players and largest orders and this is the largest and orders and placed by and the Eurolines and in one go anywhere in the world and beating the 2011 and orders and the by American and the airlines and 4 other combined and 460 the aircraft. Potential to become become the third largest international market. The government and the industries and say and India's and could becomes the third and the largest international, not just the domestic and the aviation market, giving the hug and gap and the between the potential and current air the travels and penetrations. Improves India global standing. The ideas is the importance and for the industry and because the giving the recent and the turbulences in the China's market, the alertness, the alternative and growth and market in India help enter the markets and the like and the US and the purchase of wide and bodies aircraft and like the A350 and the will allow and all the Indias and to the eastern markets and like the US and Australia and directed by the offering a non-stop fighting from the India to the thus places and Indian companies and intent the message and seems to be that the Indias and the Indians companies are open to the business and with the world and the irrespective of the reasons and the geopolitics and the impact and that the announcement announcements and has become in the Indian years and of the India's and G20 presidency aid the strategic values to the orders and global the employers and the majors western the economics are in the bits of and the economic slowdowns and are the looking and to the disputes economic and slowdown and are looking to the disputes economic activities and support the employment after the wrecking the based by the rampling and why it's the purchases of the Russia crude and it is other good and the optics and for the Indias and to be the seen as the creating jobs in the Europe and are the US throne and all orders. Conclusion overall the India and growing the soft and the hard powers in the global arenas is the result of the combinations of the economic demographics, cultural and the military factors, as well as the effective diplomacy in India continued. India continued and growth and the influences in thus the areas and will be the key and to its the availability and to the play the more and the significant role on the global stage in the future. 18. India recent policy and focus on the infrastructures and development in the northeastern and regions and is aim aid the improving connectivity boosting and economic growth and the addressing the regional disparities. How does this the policy and alliance and with the India's and borders and development goal and what are the potentials challenge in the implementing and such other large scale and infrastructures and push in the regions analysis approach. Candidate can start the answer with the basic idea of the connectivities and the regional level infrastructures development of the NERs and highlighted the several challenges, also the suggested some the missions. Introduction. NER has been the relatively and the underdeveloped in the turn of the infrastructures and has long and the suffered from other lack of the connectivity and with the rest of the countries and the new infrastructures and push is arms. Aid the addressing and thus the issues and the bring the reason into the mainstreams of the economic development bodies improved and the infrastructures in the northeast region and will enhance the regions competitiveness and the increase the investment and opportunities and provide other basic for the sustained economic growth. The development of the north regions is also the important and from the strategic perspectives and as the region shares and the borders and with the China's Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, some of the key challenges of the infrastructure development in the northeastern region of the Indian of the important and from the strategic perspectives. And as the region share the borders with China, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Myanmar, some of the key challenges in infrastructures and development in the northeast regions of the India's region includes geographical barriers. The region and regard and terrains and with its the high mountains. It is the house mountain and dense the forest and the large rivers and present the formidable obstacles and to the constructions of the road, railways and other the infrastructures, and this make it and expensive and time and the consuming and to the world and the maintain infrastructures and also create difficulties and is the accessing and the remote areas, limited connectivity. The northeast and is a landlocked region and with the limited and connectivity to the rest of India's and the inadequate and transportation infrastructures and the makes it the difficult to move and the goods and the people in and out of the region, and poor connectivity also the impeded the flow of the investment and the investment technology and the talent into the regions. Insurgency and the security challenges. The region has other history of the ethnics and insurgencies and the conflict and that have the hindered and economic growth and the development. Ongoing violence and the instabilities. Violence, instability in the region and the post and the security challenges and the ongoing the violence and the instabilities in the regions and post the security challenges and create and the environment that is not the conclusive. Conclusives and infrastructure development, limited resources. The northeastern region is the economically and the backward and with the limited resources and the low levels of the industrialization, and this makes it is the difficult and to the regenerated to generate the revenue and the requires for the large scale infrastructures and the project environment concern. The reasons and its the region is the ecologically and the sensitive and with other rich and the biodiversity and the complex ecosystems. Infrastructures. Infrastructure development and could have the biodiversity could have the negative impact on the environment, such as the deforestation and the soil erosions and the populations. Social issues. The northeastern region is the home and to the diverse ethnic communities and each with its the own and the districts and the cultures and densities. And the development project must take into the account and the concern and the aspirations and of the thus and the communities and ensure that their the rights and the interested are the protected. Administration challenges. The reason is the characterize and the reason is characterized by other complex and the multi-layered governance and the structure with the overlapping and the overlapping jurisdictions and the regulatory framework, and this was the create the administration and the hurdles and that the slowdowns and the process of the infrastructure development. Be forward the government and could explores the use of the renewables. The use of the renewable energy and the sources for the power of generations.
लेके लेना कॉपी करवाएगी ले
अरे ये 20 वाले दे दे
सही सही बता नहीं
ये मांगते ना
देख देख मत खा जे नहीं खाया अपन देख क्या खा रहा है आजा देखिएगा देखो सही है ना
ये 5 लेगी
ये मत खा देख
ये कह रही थी ना ले
ले तू जे खा ले ला जे खा ले
अब अरे बात में लगा दो थोड़ी देर हाँ बात थोड़ी देर से
This can create administration and the hurdles and that the slow and down and the process of infrastructure development. The government and the could explore the use of the renewables energy and the sources for the power generation and such as the solars and the wind power. Additionally, the government and could adopt the innovative and financially models and such as the public and private partnerships and to the mobilizing and resources and the ensure and the efficiency project and the implementation conclusion. To mitigate and thus the challenges, the government and must work the closely and the local communities to gain theirs the supports and support for the infrastructure and project, and it must and also the take step and to the ensures and that the infrastructures and the development is the sustainable and the environmentally friendly. Question number 19. What are the potentials and area of the cooperations and the collaborations and between the India and the Egypt, and how can and thus be the leverages and to the enhances their the strategic, economic and cultural ties in the changing global landscape? Discuss. Approve. A simple straightforward and the question and where the candidates and need to the write about the what are the potential area of the cooperation and between the India and the Egypt, and in the second part and write about and their the strategic, economic and cultural ties. Introduction. India-Egypt relationship and looks the promising and as to the countries and have the historical enjoyed and the friendly and ties and have the recently and taken the step to the depends and there the corporations and both the India and the Egypt and can the collaborates and in the areas and such as the biotechnologies and the technologies and space technologies and the security cooperation and science and technology to further depend and there the ties and in changing the globals and landscapes body. Potential areas and of the cooperation and the collaboration and between the India and the Egypt and trade and the investment, and both the countries can the increase there's the trade and investment ties, particularly in the field of the pharmaceuticals and the textiles, IT and the renewable energy and the agriculture and food security. And India has the expertise in agriculture while the Egypt has other rich history in the field, and they can the collaborated and on the research and the development exchange best the practices and the develop and the strategics and to the improve food security and the culture exchange. India and the Egypt and share the and science and the cultural ties, and they can the collaborate on the culturals and the exchange and the particularly in the field of the arts and music and the literatures. Tourism. Both India and the Egypt are the populars and the tourism and the destination, and they can the cooperated and to the promotes and the tourism and increase the numbers of the tourism and tourists in visiting each other's the countries and science and technology. India is the repeatedly emerging as other technologies and hub, and while the Egypt is the making significant and the progress in the field of the science, and they can the collaborated on the reached and the development and in the areas and such as the biotechnologies and nanotechnology and space technologies. Education and research. India and the Egypt and can collaborated and in the field of the education and the research, and particularly in areas and such as the medicines and engineering and the management. Energy. Both India and the Egypt are the exploring and the renewables energies and option to meet there the growings and the energies and the needs, and they can the collaborated on the researchers and the development and the explores and possibilities of the joint venture and the investment and infrastructure. India and the Egypt can the collaborated in the development of the infrastructure, particularly in the areas and such as the transportations, urban planning and housing, defense, and both India and the Egyptian are the strategic partners and can the collaborated in the field of the defense and the particularly in the areas and such as the counter-terrorism and intelligence sharings and joint military exercise. Healthcare. India has the world renowned and the healthcare and the systems, and while the Egypt and is making the significant progress in the field and they can the collaborated and on the research and the development and explore possibilities of joint the ventures and investment to leverages on their the strategic culture and the economic ties, and India's and the Egyptian can take the following steps: strengthen diplomatics and the ties and the two countries and can the further strengthen and there the diplomatic ties and by the holdings and regulars and the high levels visits and stabilizing and more the culturals and the centers and the exchange programs and the organizings and join the seminars and the conferences, promote trade and the investment in India and the Egyptian can promote trade and the investment by the stabilizing joint the ventures creating investment friendly policies and the providing the incentives to investors, improve the connectivities and better the connectivities and can the improve the trade and the investment and between the two countries, and India and the Egypt can the collaboration in the development of the transport and infrastructures, particularly air and the sea connectivities, and increase the tourism. India and the Egypt can promote the tourism by the showcasing and each other the cultural and the historical heritage offerings, the visas and the vacillations and the developing tourism and the infrastructures and collaboration in science and technology. India and the Egypt can the collaborated in the science and the technologies by the jointly and developing research and the innovation project and the exchanging knowledge and expertise enhances defense ties, and India's and the Egyptian can enhances their the defense ties and by the conducting and joint military exercise and providing the training to each others and the armed forces for the and the collaborating and in the development of the defense equipments. Focus on the energy cooperations, and India and the Egypt can collaborated in the energy sectors and by the exploring the opportunities is the renewable energy such as the solars and wind powers, sharing expertise in the field of the energy efficiency. Sport culture exchange in India's and the Egyptian can support the cultural and exchange by the stabilizing and more the centers and of the cultures, arts and the language. They can also the encourages and the join and the productions and films, the festivals and the literacy and events and strengthened and educational and ties, and India's and the Egypt can the collaborated in the field of the education by the sharing best practices and exchanging the faculty and student and jointly the developing and the research projected and collaborated on the healthcare. India and the Egypt can the collaborated on the healthcare and by the sharing expertise in the medical technologies and organizing and joined the conferences and the exploring opportunities in the field of the medical tourism. Conclusions and overall, the India and the Egypt relationships have the great potential for the growth and the cooperation in several areas, with increasing the effort into the deepen and their the ties and the futures. The future look bright and for the importance partnerships. Question number 20. The policy of the allowing the foreign universities and to open the campuses in the Indias and build the promotes and the exchange of the knowledge, ideas and the best practices and the enhances the qualities and the competitiveness of the education in the countries, and while the avoiding the risk of brain and the drain and cultural homogenization of do you agree and the critically comments approach. Candidate can start the answer and with the basic ideas and about the recent draft and the NEP and the suggestions on the foreign universities, with the highlighting the benefits also the critically. critically comment with the challenges and the several concerns and with the regard to the foreign university. Introduction. And the foreign university would have the freedoms and to the device and there's the avance and the curriculums and the admissions and process. The national education policies NEP in 2020 provided and that the selected university is thus proms and the among the top 100 universities in the world and will be the facilitated and to the operated in India. Body. Foreign universities and the opening compensation in India can have the several and benefits for the Indian higher education system and including access to the global and the expertise and foreign universities and can bring and global expertise and teaching the method to India's and which can the improve the qualities of the education in the countries, increase the student mobilities and the student and who are the unable and to study and abroad due to the financial construct and or the others reasons and can the benefits from the opportunities and to the study and aid the foreign universities and compensation in India and boost to the economics and the foreign universities and setting up the says in the India's and the can also the boost the economic by the creating the job and the providing the new business and opportunities. Improve research collaboration and the collaboration between India and the foreign and the universities can lead to the improved and the region and the development and which can have the significant positive impact on the economic and cut down and the outflow and the Indian money and the brain drain. And there are other number of the Indian student and who the opt and for the foreigns and degrees and which mean and the outflow of the Indian money is the recent and the report by other leading consultings and firm the estimated and that the Indian student and overseas spending is set and to the grow and from the current annual USD 28 billions to the USD 18 and billions annually by the 2024 and several challenges and the concern and qualities of education. The qualities of education providing by the FHEIS and may not be up to the standard and of the Indian institution and which could negatively and impact the employability and the future prospect of the Indian student. The fees and the charges and by the FHEIS and are the often and much higher than the those and charges by Indian infrastructures by Indian institution and could and which could make and the higher education lacks the accessibilities and to the student from the lower income families lack of the oversighting and the regulatories and oversight and of the FHEIS in India may be the inadequate and which the could lead and to the situation where the student are taken the advantage of or the left without the recourses in the cases of problems. Cultural impact. The influx of the foreign and institution and the student could lead to the loss of the Indian culture and the values and as well as the lack of the integrity between the India and the foreign student and national the security concern and the foreign institutions and maybe the used for the espionage and the others and illegal activities and not enough the resources and truly the reputed and higher educational and institution operate on either not and for the profits and basic and the have no the materialistics and the motives and to go the offshores autonomies and to the foreign institutions and the draft and the notifications and the promises and academics administratives and the financial autonomies and to the foreign institution and but the takes and that the away by the assertings and that they the avoid and by all the condition and that the UGC and the Indian government and prescribes from time to time. And the conclusion. However, there are the several challenges associated with the foreign university and setting up and the compasses and in India's and as such as the ensuring academic standard are the maintenance and the managing cultural differences and the dealing with legals and the regulatory issues and the carefully planning the implementations and are the necessary to ensure the benefits and of the such initiative are the fully realized. The session will be closed. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 देखते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन।